Yes, so these decorative animals were made of paper mache. It's an artist who makes them. First makes a little wire shape of the animal, and then with about 20 or more layers of paper mache, and they get hand painted as well. So it's an incredible lot of work that goes into them. So the tallest one is probably around 40 centimeters long, tall. The shortest one about 20 to 25 centimeters. These are the two giraffes. So each one would look different from the other one, color-wise, where the patterns would be different. And then there's also a little bird, and I can just show you. Beautifully made, and yeah, each color looks different, and they look beautiful on any bookshelf as decoration, maybe for a children's room. They're quite sturdy and strong, and they won't break easily.